Oh, he's in below. You know, this doesn't, I don't need to be here. I don't need to be here. Let's go! Welcome. Today we're playing some more Amnesia the Bunker. Last time I was here, I learned how confusing it can be to not know what you're doing, and how terrifying it can be to be chased by a big scary monster. Luckily, this time around, I learned from my mistakes. But I did make a lot of new ones too. So, I hope you enjoy. Also, if you find yourself enjoying this video at any time, please leave a like. Thank you. Alright, let's go. Okay, last time I was in here, things did not go the way I wanted them to. Okay, I've got some grenades, some flares, a gas grenade, and a stick. More than enough to kill a monster twice the size of me. Without further ado, kerplow. Let's go. Oh, crap. Okay. Open up this, open this, and God, be quiet now. Okay. Down the spooky death hallway with blood on the floor. Crunchy. Hey guys. I don't know how I was supposed to get in there. There's gotta be a way though, right? What's this? Oh, bad timing. Don't be spooking me like that. Would you guys stop that? Please and thank you. I said stop it, it's quite loud. I don't want to wake the sleeping beast. Oh no. I know it must be done. But I don't know if I have the courage to do it. What if I close the door? Can you do anything if I close the door? Am I safe now? I'm gonna do it. Oh god. That might have been a bad idea. Just gonna wait right here. Nothing bad's gonna happen. I'm good. I'm safe. I'm secure. He doesn't know about me. He doesn't know I'm here. I'm going to sit and clench my butt cheeks. He's not gonna. He doesn't know how to open doors. He knows how to open doors. Oops. Oh no. Okay. Good to know. He knows how to open doors. We cannot rely on doors to keep us safe. That's great. That's great. Oh no, I didn't save. Oh crap. Alright. Here's the plan. I don't have one. I'm making it up as I go. Okay. So, plan is shoot the lock, run that way. In that order. Here we go. Run. He didn't hear it, he didn't hear it, he didn't hear it. We're good, we're good, we're good. There's nothing after me. I'm okay. There is nothing to be worried about. I am perfectly fine going into the stairs. I feel safe on the stairs. We good? Did we make it? I think we made it. Back to where we were. Just explosives. I'd say we're hunky-dory. Now I've opened up this thing. Oh man, he made a mess in here. Wow, he ripped down some doors. What an angry boy. Whip out the flashlight. Turn this baby on. Whew. Alright. I see no more reason to stay down here. I think what we got what we were after. And maybe any other goodies that I might have missed along the way. Ding. Hey. Let's go turn off the generator for a second. So, I can't think of anything else to do over there. I'm gonna go back down the other hallway this time and we're gonna see if we can't save that guy who's been imprisoned for a long time. He might be dead by now, I don't know. But I bet I could figure it out. Yeah. Kerchunk. So there was one door I saw down there, and I know might progress the story a little bit. Otherwise, I'm gonna be here for a while, running in circles again. No one wants that, especially me. Okay. Cell door control. So if I can get in this room, I can control what doors open. That's good. And to get in the room, all I have to do is figure out how to get in here, I hope. Hopefully getting in here will get me in the room. Now, what would be best if there's a little stony wony for me to throw. A stony wony! That's exactly what I needed. Let's take this bad boy and throw it at a door. Nothing to see here. Don't worry about me, mister. I'm just going to open up this door and we'll be on a merry way. Oh god. Pause it once. You didn't hear nothing. Pause it twice. You're not coming out, right? Oh god. We're good. We're not good. We better get going. Let's just hide somewhere. He doesn't see me. 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 We're hidden. We're hidden. We're hidden. There's nothing wrong. Okay. I think he's left. And I'm gonna chance it. Please shut up. This is hard enough. Close this. No. Yeah, he left. He's just right next to me. I shouldn't go through that. We made it. I can't believe it. I thought I was dead for sure. Okay. What do I do in here? Oh, I bet I could break those chains. I really want to. But I don't want to run away for my life again. Looks like I'll be running up there either way the second I do something about these chains, eh? Time? Halfway down. I mean, now or never, baby. Let's go! I didn't do anything. Oh no, we better move! Oh, that's a bad. I'm just gonna back up a little bit and we're gonna call it good. Because I don't think he saw where I went. I really hope not. Okay. I'm gonna go check out this map in the administrator's office. I don't know how many bullets are left in this, but I'm gonna say 1, maybe 2. Let's go. Oh, go back in. See if we can't find what I'm missing. So how would I get in there? There's a lock on the door there, but there's a vent. Oh, I need to find a certain person's room. Hi. Oh. We're good, right? I shot you twice. You didn't open. Just go. Oh, I'm dumb. The bolt cutters are in there with the prisoner. That's right. Of course a bullet wouldn't shoot chains off. I figured it out, but I don't know how to fix the problem. Because I need to get the ratchet from the locker. That's the next step. I can't get to the prisoner until I get the ratchet. And to get the ratchet, I need to find certain someone's quarters and find their dog tag. I don't know what doors I haven't opened yet, but we can certainly check it out, right? We're looking for Foreman Stafford. He will give us the wrench. If I can find a Lambert and a Fortin, that would be good too. Let's head back down the spooky staircase. And we're gonna go look for Foreman Stafford. Communications. I'm in the clerk's office. I need to go into the communications room. Okay. I can do that. I've already done everything to get in there. Hi, rats. We're running low on time here. I don't know how possible this is all going to be, but we might have to just rush it if we die. Okay, everything's on. We daisy chained it all the way. I'm going to push this button and we're going to see what happens.
Anyone left? The code is 7494.
7494. Okay. That's good.
I hope that you can hear me. I hope that you can forgive me. The
All right.
arsenal code is
7494. We got it. That's exactly what we needed. I hope, please. Or he said it was the arsenal code, but I really just hope it's his locker. 7 4 9 4. All right. Arsenal code is 7494. Where's the arsenal? Is it over here? Oh, the arsenal. I forgot there was a door over here. I haven't been this way yet. Oh, we're so close to being out of time, though. Let's hurry this up a little bit, eh? Yes. Gotta get back with this gas. I've only got 5 minutes left. Oh, crap. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go now. This is not a time to be wasting. I think we should leave. I think, we've spent enough time out here, and sprinting is an option now. Yep. I'm gonna just go. Okay. Ding. Okay. Well, at least now we know where we need to go. Alright. I got what I need. It's not what you need. It's what I need. Alright. I throw this grenade, and I casually walk away. I'm just gonna casually walk away. Right? Casually walk away at full speed in the opposite direction of wherever the monster is. Because you know what I don't want to see? Is Mr. Flesh Potato. Screw Mr. Flesh Potato. We're Uncle Dory. He can't get in here, so no matter what, I'm safe. I don't hear anything, which scares me more than if I heard something. Hello? Nope. That's what I didn't want to see. I didn't want to see him. He saw me. I think we're safe in here. I'll close this. Right, he's gone. I hope. Right. I'll risk it for the biscuit. Hello? Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm not a terrified man. I'm a completely sane human boy. Okay. I have 2 objectives. I need to walk forward that way. I need to walk down this way. Both of them are locked. But I know a code to the arsenal. Oh, don't do that. Ooh. Hey, it's the arsenal? 7 4 9 4. We're in. Progress. And it didn't take me an hour. Okay. Got a stick in a dream. Hello? Oh, mama. There's dynamite. I think that's what I need. Alright. What's the dealio here? I am so uncomfortable right now. There's a hole there. That's great. You heard that. That's wonderful. Ooh. Stay far away. Okay. That's a lot of goodies. I'll take them. I don't know why you're giving them to me, but I'm not one to look a gift horse in the mouth. A horse gift in the face. I do not want to piss off those rats. This I know. Hey. What's going on? Why? Why are you doing this? What are you doing? We're good, right? Oh, he's in the middle. You know what? This doesn't. I don't need to be here. I don't need to be here. Let's go! Scared the pants off of me. Why did he come out of this hole? What was the point? So next time he does that, I'm gonna keep this locked. Thank you. Next time he does that, we run immediately. We don't try to hide. We book it like there's no tomorrow. My heart. This time I'm gonna try to not get caught, because that was scary. I didn't like it very much, thank you. And then if he shows his face, we book it as fast as we can. Not waiting for him this time. Is he coming out? Because I know how to leave. I know how to run real quick. Okay, I think we're good. Okay. Stay away from the rats. We do not want them hissing at us. Running, 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 running. We don't need to be here. We came the other way this time. This is so bad. Oh, mama. I don't have anything to get out of here. I could run past the rats. I can run past the rats. That is it. That is our only hope. Where am I going? I'm so lost. I'm hiding. I literally can't think of anything else to do. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. We can be friends. We both like the dark. It's not a scary place. This is a place of peace. A place of making friends. Bonds for life. How we doing on time? Not good. I gotta move. Okay, okay. Hi. This is where I should have gone. Why do you gotta move so much, man? Why can't we just be friends? There's a brick. I don't know if that helps me, but I know it exists. Oh, that's gonna be loud. I gotta do it. We just gotta be quick about it. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. Please tell me there is an exit. He came out. He came out. He came out. I'm going under the table. Hopefully he doesn't see me. Oh, man. This is as good as it gets. There's really nowhere for me to go. Hi. This is fine. There's nothing wrong with this. Oh, I don't think he saw me. I think we're okay. We're alright. I feel like I'm out of time. Oh, I'm so out of time. You're gone, right? You're not here. I'll take that as a yes. Crap, man. Crap, this is like, just leave me alone. We're going out together. We're going out together. We're going out together. I can't see. We're doing this. Don't get closer. I can't see shit. No, bullets, please. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to take advantage of it. It looks like he got hurt. I don't have a way of seeing. Just a dog tag. 6-something-02, but you know what? It doesn't matter. Let's go. Let's get going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How do I go? Go anywhere, just not here. That's not the way out. That's not the way out either. We can go this way though. There is no more light. I am out of options. Did I find anything? No. I didn't. I didn't find anything. Am I on my own? Yes. Yes, I am. Okay. Plan D. Run for life. Hope we make it. If I hit a tripwire, run for life. Don't show your face. I don't want to see it. I think you're ugly. Whoa, we're good. I'm not gonna save because that seems like a dumb idea. I only got one dog tag and I'm out of fuel. Oh, I'm not out of fuel. I have one fuel left. Do I risk it? I think I would risk it. I have one fuel left, but that might be enough to save the game. I'm gonna save the game. Ow. It's not much fuel, but it is something. I can go this way. I think. Maybe I need a stone to get through here? It's right here next to the scary hole. But he's not in the hole. So I'm gonna take the stone and back up. Oh. Okay. I got one choice. Didn't work. It did work. Am I screwed now? Screwed-alicious? Expiala dead? On the spot? Is he not coming? I'm making so much noise. Just waiting for him to show his face. Oh, I need a stone for that too. Crap. How are we doing on time here? We got 5 minutes. But I got the dynamite. I did it! Woo! Got a stick too. There's gotta be a way out over here, right? No, I have to go back through? That's bad. I don't have time. I'm gonna die. Okay, where's that stone? It's literally my only hope. Okay. Stone, you're coming with me. If this door doesn't take us back to the start, I'm gonna have to sprint for my gosh darn life like no one's business. Okay, let's do this. Or I could try to go through the metal door. Okay, let's do it. Can I hide in here? I can't hide in here. We gotta... He can't come in here, right? I'm barricading the door with my body. If he gets in here, it's because he's way stronger than me, but I really hope he doesn't come this way. is bad. He doesn't. I'm hiding under this. There's no. Crap. I know exactly what to do this time. I know what tables to go under. I got this whole thing planned out in my head. I'm gonna hit this, close the door, go under table. Going under table. You can't find me under here. This is literally his blind spot, is under people under tables. He doesn't know we exist. Good. We're good. There's nothing he can do. I'm under a table. I'm under a table. I'm a bad guy under a table. He might not even come in here this time. Are you kidding me? He didn't even come in here. I'll be fine. Okay. How much time do I got? Enough. Let's get this dynamite and get the heck out of here. If I can get this, I'm halfway done. Might have spoken too soon. Come on, man. Why did I open this stupid door if there wasn't any fuel in here? Oh, man. Oh, we're gonna die. Let's go. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's just too dark. Okay, this way. Oh, man. Did he just get out? Is he coming after me? We know what to do here. We book it. We book it. We book it. We don't wait. We don't wait to see. We know better than this. We run at full speed as far away as possible. This isn't our fight. This isn't a fight for us. We go. We run. We're done. This is not the time. I'm hot. And with about 3 minutes to spare. Holy garbage. Woo. Oh, we did it. We're halfway. I hope. I really hope we're halfway now. It still leaves the big old question. Where the heck is the code Sergeant Stafford was supposed to provide? But he ain't. He ain't providing nothing. We're gonna figure out that question next time. Because for now, we're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.